we'll go ahead and launch Smart PSS. And we're going to auto search for the device. And that's my device, 110. I'll go ahead and add it. Enter the username and password. Okay, so now the device is online. Now we can head over to the plus icon here and go to intercom. Okay, and now our device is listed here under the default group. The next step here is very important to do two-way audio, which is required. So if you go down here to VTS, this is the video server. So this IP address has to match your computer. So right now it's set to 146, so let's go ahead and double check that my computer is set to 146. We'll just bring up command prompt, ipconfig. So my computer is actually set to 192.168.1.150. So we'll go back to Smart PSS and we'll assign the VTS to the IP address of my computer. Okay, it's very important. If you do not have this synced up with the video doorbell camera, your computer, and Smart PSS, you will not be able to do two-way audio. However, you can unlock the doors, but you will not be able to do two-way audio. Okay, so that's set. Now we'll minimize Smart PSS and we'll open up Internet Explorer. Okay, it may ask you to install some plugins here. I believe I already installed them, but if it were to do so, make sure you add the IP to your compatibility view list here, and make sure you're using Internet Explorer. And then also make sure your unassigned ActiveX controls are set to prompt. So just follow these instructions here. Which it already was for me, but download unassigned ActiveX controls should be set to prompt. Select OK, OK again, and then we can go ahead and log into the video doorbell. Okay, so now once we're in here, there's a few settings that you can change. You have your access control settings, sound control, talk manager, system time, config manager, and there's much more that you can get into it, which is pretty involved here. But what we're going to focus on is just the LAN config. So what's important to note here is the management center IP address. This should match the computer that Smart PSS and the video doorbell are on. So in this example, like I showed you, my computer is set to 192.168.1.150. So that should be set. This should be checked here, register to the management center. And we'll just go ahead and select OK. And after we do that, it's important to reboot the video doorbell. So we'll go ahead and go to log out, reboot the device, and give it about a minute to reboot. And then once it does, we'll go back into Smart. Okay, so the video doorbell has rebooted. So I'll go ahead and open Smart PSS up again. I'll go ahead and launch that. We'll go to intercom. And now there's two ways of doing two-way audio. The first way is to go to monitor, select the device, just double click on it. And then from here, you could select shout and see it turn red there. So if my computer had a microphone on it, you would now be able to hear this at the video doorbell. And then you could also unlock the door from Smart PSS here. Okay. and that'll unlock the door. And then the second way of doing it is going to the intercom tab here. Right click on the IP address of your video doorbell and select shout. Okay, this will give you the same results. You have your microphone here and you have your lock and unlock here. So that's how you use Smart PSS with our E-Series video doorbell camera. Thank you for watching.